Hey, what's up everyone? Today I wanted to talk about a very sexy and cool topic. Planning and preparing for upcoming video shoots. Ooh, yeah. Okay, but for real, I wanted to share my checklist and my favorite tips when it comes to gear prep, location planning, and mindset on a shoot. So whether you're getting ready for your first, your 50th, or 500th photo shoot, these are really the key steps that you want to go through. Now this video is meant for beginners, but advanced photogs might learn a thing or two here as well. First, we're going to cover getting your camera kit ready to walk out the door to your next shoot. Second, we're going to talk about quickly scouting and planning your visit to the property. And finally, we're going to cover getting your mindset and energy levels dialed in. With these three things covered, you're going to arrive at your shoots super prepared and ready to tackle any inevitable challenges that will pop up. As they say, fail to plan, plan to fail. First, you want to prep your gear, and that usually means grabbing a wide-angle lens and popping it on your camera body. I rock the 16-35 lens about 99% of the time. Next, grab and install a polarizing filter. A polarizing filter, or a CPL, can help reduce reflections and improve the overall contrast of your photos to really help them pop. You'll want to clean your lens and filter to make sure that they are sparkling clean and free of any dust or fingerprints or smudges or whatever. Next, you want to make sure that your drone is ready to go. You want to charge its batteries and pop in a memory card. Also, charge your drone remote controller. This is also a great time to check that your drone's firmware is up to date as well. You'll also want to grab your tripod. A geared head tripod is going to be best, but a standard ball head that you find on most tripods is totally fine to get started with. I find that attaching the tripod plate to my camera before the shoot can actually save a little bit of time. Because when you have to screw it on at the listing, like attach it to the bottom, it can slow you down a little bit and look a little bit amateurish. It's nice to just show up ready to shoot. Next, if you're a flash ambient photographer, a flambient photog, make sure that you drop your flash into your camera bag as well. I mainly shoot HDR, so without a flash it's not a big deal for me, but some people like to use a flash because it can help fill in shadows and add some extra light to your photos. Finally, you want to charge your batteries and grab a memory card or 2 or 3. It's always best to have backups. Seriously guys, always have backups. Get everything packed away and ready in the bag so you aren't scrambling last minute and forget something important like a drone controller or the SD card, which have both happened to me on different times. It's really tough and really sucks. All right, step number 2 is to jump over to your computer or your cell phone and start really planning your listing shoot out. I start by routing from my house to the address provided by the agent. You can use satellite view on Google Maps or Apple Maps to confirm that there's really a home at the location and it's not just taking you to the middle of nowhere. I'll also search the address using Zillow or Redfin or different listing sites to kind of look at the previous photos, see the square footage to estimate how long it will take me, and to scout out any possible angles or local views. Now, if you have multiple shoots that day that are kind of back to back, then it's a really good idea to route from your first shoot to your second shoot so that you understand approximate travel times. I find that looking at the property ahead of time can really help me set my expectations before I arrive. It's really always nice to know ahead of time if it's going to be a big mansion in a nice neighborhood, a tiny one-bedroom home in a kind of a sketchy area, a rural farm home in the middle of nowhere, or whatever it is in between. Now finally, the last step in prep is preparing your mindset. So this is really all about making sure that you're in an upbeat, good mood. Take a shower, have a small bite of food, have a little bit of water for the hydro homies out there, listen to some good music on the drive over, dance a little bit to raise your energy. It seriously just feels really good to arrive in a good mood, ready to handle any possible issues that can and will arrive when you're at the location. You can also set an intention for the shoot. Think about what you want to accomplish during the shoot. Maybe it's practicing a new sort of technique or a style, or think about how it will help you achieve hitting an income goal or a certain number of homes for that month. Whatever it is, be positive, stay flexible. Things are not always going to go as planned, but try and be open to adapting to any challenges that might come up. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed these tips. Get out there, put them to the test. Like I've said before, knowledge is no good unless you can apply it. Feel free to subscribe and follow for more awesome real estate photography content. If you're interested in learning more from me about the art and the business of real estate photo and video, I've actually got a full course that's available. It covers exactly how I earn 6 figures a year shooting cool photos and videos for real estate agents and teams, how to attract new clients, how to hire editors, how to grow a sweet business that gives you both time and money freedom. Check out the link below in the description for more info. We've also thrown in a free hashtag list where I organize the top 125 hashtags around real estate, and we're just giving it away. So check it out. There's a lot of good stuff. Hope to see you on the next video.